Hi everyone! Today you will be doing a jazz split combo. If you are not warmed up, make sure to go do that first. This is what it looks like.
So I started, broken-hearted, threw it all in,
This step works best if you are on a smooth floor. Let's do it! For this combo, you will kneel down and push forward into a jazz split. You can use your hands to keep you stable. Make sure your knees stay straight, your toes are fully pointed, and your hips are square. Now come back to kneeling and stand up. Transitioning in and out of the floor will help you with choreography later on. Let's do the other side. Kneel and go into a split. If you're here, that's fine. Just make sure to keep practicing. Then we go down and hold. Come back to kneeling and stand up. Good. Make sure to keep your transitions smooth. Let's do the right side with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's do the left side with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you know how to do a jazz split. This will help us with leaps later on. Great work!